My aim is to guide you toward reflection, not contention. With that said, stay with me as we uncover some fascinating patterns that may challenge how we think and engage with Scripture in light of present-day reality. This is not a discussion about whether Trump is the Antichrist. Instead, we will look at how the idea of such a shift from widespread opposition to near universal admiration mirrors elements described in the Bible about Antichrist's rise to prominence. It's all too easy to go from skepticism to blind admiration when faced with charismatic leadership, especially during times of societal confusion. Whether it's political figures, religious leaders, or cultural icons, we must be cautious about placing anyone on a pedestal that belongs only to God. Stay vigilant in your faith, grounded in the Word, and focus on the one who deserves all honor and praise, Jesus Christ.